Hey scribers and scribblers, want to show you a new feature here we're excited about at Scribeware. This is photo tagging. The idea behind this is that when you're on your mobile device you can tag pictures quickly so that you can create organized lists of photos to help your workflow. So this is an old report that I just copied and I went through and tagged the pictures. When I copied it and the way I brought the pictures in, they're all out of sequence. So this thing is a total jumbled mess. But because I have filtered them and put tags on them, I can go through and let's look at, for example, exterior envelope pictures. So now every one that was tagged envelope is right here. So let's watch a little workflow on desktop. We could say this is wood siding with, or wood trim with fiber cement siding, and that localized rot repairs are needed. We could call it a major concern. And let's see. Let's start adding some pictures. So there was water damaged by this garage area. We'll bring that picture over. I'm going to grab some of these pictures. We'll bring those in. There was also some water damage by a back chimney, so we'll bring those ones in. And we can actually make it so that show media marked as hidden, show media used in this report. I want to uncheck that. It'll get rid of the ones that I've used here. So cool, we brought in a bunch of these pictures. Maybe we don't need to use them all. Maybe we do, doesn't matter. I'm going to put my cursor here and I'm going to hit this little button. So now I basically said localized rot repairs are needed to the trim and the siding. And in this case, it's really mostly the trim. I'm going to leave it both because there could be some damage behind this siding. And then by using the photo captions to bullets, we've made a list of specific things that were wrong. So how cool. Now we could go, if we wanted to hit plumbing, we could go to the plumbing part tags, and then we could go to our plumbing chapter, and everything will be here that we need. I mean, we could go even to water heater, and I can go to water temperature. We can drag this picture in. Can't remember what the water temperature was. 106. So we could, or 107. So there we are. So you can see how this is all kind of self-evident. We can go into plumbing, water pressure tested. Put a little bit picture of it in. So anyway, this is how this works on the back end here. We could clear all these tags. Now we'll see all the pictures. We could just look at our infrared pictures. We'll clear them all. One of the cool things is you can also have a summary tag. So now you could go through just the summary items that need to be that you want to review with the client. In this case, it was envelopes, some envelope stuff, crack in the foundation, and some mold in the attic. So all those get sorted for you. So I will now stop the desktop version of this. And by the way, I'll clear this tag, but you can add tags if you want to. So when you open it up, you can add more tags. If you were doing multifamily, you could, before you head out, you could create a tag for each unit. Unit number 1, unit number 2, unit number 3, and just tag all your pictures to keep them organized. So lots of workflows for this. I'll stop this video here and I'll show you a quick video of tagging stuff on the mobile device. So I'm just going to show you this tagging feature here. So let's just say, just trying to give an example real quick. So I'm in kind of a utility room. So let's say we'll get a service sticker. You can open up the picture, add a tag, and we'll call this HVAC, which is right there. Save that to the gallery. Now let's get another picture of this. This is the data tag for the air handler, so we'll also call that HVAC. Let's go over. Now I'm switching over to the water heater. We'll get a data tag on the water heater. Plumbing. And get a picture on the expansion tank. We'll call that plumbing. And then let's move over to the electric panel. Let's say we got an electric panel shot. So if this were, for example, something that maybe there was a Zinscope panel, we could call it a summary item. And then we'll put this in the electrical so you can do multiple tags. If you want to with the tags, you can even create a new tag. So if just we could add this and just say, for example, create a tag, and you could make a whole new one just for that particular job. So I hope that helps. This is the functionality, and the idea is that really quickly you can be taking pictures, and if you don't want to write anything, we can get this all organized, and then when you're back in the office, you'll be able to, or even later on the mobile app, I can show you. So let me show you on the mobile while I'm here. Let's go into the gallery, and then we'll open up the tags. So let's just look for laundry pictures. So boom, there's the dryer, my infrared, and I've got all these tagged. Let's go over, we'll clear the tags, and let's look for just the summary items. So this is kind of envelope problems with this house. And so for reviewing with the client, I can now open these up and just go over like, hey, this is the back of the garage. We got a moisture control problem here. That's kind of what it looks like. This is where it looks from the roof, and it's so anyway, you get the picture. So this is the tagging, really pretty cool. We can clear the tags and then go ahead and let's see what we got for plumbing, you know. And then when you go to write your report, all of these things are going to be organized, you know, ideally by chapter.